Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show the list of famous historical guns from different countries. Don't forget like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new comparison videos. Enjoy your video. Japan Tank Matchlock gun $10,000. Slovakia CI-27 $12,000. Poland Radom VIS-35 $15,000. Belgium Brown High Power $20,000. Switzerland SIGP 210 $20,000. Italy Beretta 1915 $25,000. Sweden Flintlock Dueling Pistol $25,000. Netherlands Dutch Lock Pistol $30,000. India Mughal Matchlock $30,000. Iran Safavid Flintlock $35,000. Portugal Arquebus Pistol $40,000. Turkey Ottoman Flintlock $40,000. Russia Tula Arsenal Pistol $40,000. Spain Miklit Lock Pistol $45,000+. China King Dynasty Pistol $50,000. Austria Cochin Reuter Flintlock $50,000. UK Buckle Gun Priceless. USA Cloth Single Action Army Revolver $150,000. France King Louis Flintlock Gun $150,000. Germany Emperor Charlie's Lock Pistol $500,000. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget like and subscribe and comment.